Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best second phone number apps for iPhone and Android in 2025. If you're tired of sharing your main number or need extra privacy for work, online shopping, or dating, these apps are game changers. Let's get started. First, why do you even need a second phone number? In 2025, with rising concerns about digital privacy and data breaches, these apps let you create virtual numbers that keep your real info safe. They're affordable, easy to use, and work seamlessly on both iOS and Android devices. Kicking things off with our top pick, Google Voice. This free app gives you a US phone number that forwards calls to your main device. It's perfect for both iPhone and Android users, with features like voicemail transcription and spam blocking. The downside? It might have limits on international calls, so keep that in mind. Next up is Burner, a favorite for temporary numbers. Available on both platforms, it costs around $5 per number but offers top-notch anonymity. You can burn the number after use, making it ideal for one-time situations like selling items online. iPhone users will appreciate its smooth integration with iMessage, while Android folks love the quick setup. For budget-conscious Android users, Text Now is a winner. It provides free calling and texting with ads, or you can upgrade for ad-free service. It's lightweight and doesn't require a separate SIM card. On the iPhone side, Hushed stands out with its wide selection of international numbers and customizable plans starting at just $2.99 a month. When choosing an app, consider factors like cost, features, and compatibility. Google Voice is best for everyday use, Burner for privacy pros, and Text Now or Hushed for affordable options. In 2025, look for apps with enhanced security features like end-to-end encryption. There you have it, the best second phone number apps to level up your digital life. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below, smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.